Alright, so today's recipe we're going to do some baked potato two different ways. I washed properly and basted properly with some oil, put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes depending on how big it is. After that I'm going to cut it in half and I'm going to add some of my peppers, hot pepper, salt, and I also add some fresh grind black pepper, some vegan cream cheese. I'm going to do a recipe on that shortly, and some soy. This is bacon flavored soy, and I also did the same thing another way with the next baked potato. I did basically the same thing. I add all of the ingredients, but first, before we get on to that other way, let's take a bite of this. Obviously you didn't hear me because music was playing again, so yeah. So this was really good. It was really, really good, full of flavor with salt, and that's bacon flavored soy, delicious. So on to the next one, the same thing. I removed the potato from the shell and I mix all of the ingredients together, and I had some smoked turkey. I stir fry that with some vegetables. That recipe is coming up soon, and I had it like that both ways. It was delicious. Please don't forget to check out these previous videos that I have here for you to enjoy. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.